A shocking rumor is spreading like wildfire. Could Trump be planning to ditch America's gold reserves and replace them with Bitcoin? Sounds crazy, right? But with Trump openly supporting Bitcoin and trust in the US dollar crumbling, could this actually be happening? Is America quietly shifting from gold to Bitcoin? And if so, what does this mean for you? Buckle up because the answers might just change the future of money forever. Just a few years ago, Trump called Bitcoin a scam and warned that it was based on thin air. But fast forward to 2024, and he's suddenly singing a very different tune. Trump has publicly embraced Bitcoin, even saying that America should be a leader in crypto. But here's where things get really interesting. The United States supposedly holds thousands of tons of gold in Fort Knox and other vaults, but there's just one problem. Nobody has actually seen it in decades. No proper audit has been done since the 1950s. And some insiders whisper that the vaults might not be as full as we think. Could the US be facing a secret gold shortage? And could Trump have a radical solution? The world is losing faith in the US dollar. Countries like China and Russia are ditching the dollar and buying up record amounts of gold. But what if Trump sees Bitcoin as America's way to stay ahead? A way to create a new financial system, one that doesn't rely on physical gold or an old-school banking system. Now let's talk about the wildest possibility. Could Trump actually replace gold reserves with Bitcoin? Bitcoin is harder to seize than gold. Bitcoin is scarce. There will only ever be 21 million. Bitcoin is gaining global trust as digital gold. Some believe Trump might push for Bitcoin-backed reserves or even create a government-controlled crypto standard. Sounds insane. But with the way the world is changing, is it really that far-fetched? If this theory is true, it could mean Bitcoin skyrocketing to $1 million or more, gold losing its status as the ultimate store of value, a total financial system shakeup that could make some people rich and wipe others out. So, is Trump really planning to replace gold with Bitcoin, or is this all just speculation? Whether it happens or not, one thing is clear: the financial system is changing. Gold has ruled for centuries, but Bitcoin is rising. And with Trump back in the mix, anything is possible. What do you think? Is Bitcoin the new gold? Could Trump really make this move? Let's debate in the comments, and don't forget, like, subscribe and hit that bell for more wild financial insights. The future of money is unfolding. Are you ready? Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you would like 10 grams of silver for free, why not sign up for a free bullion account? Link in the description.